Welcome to Suffolk County Music Service's presentation of the Greatest Showman Medley Part 2. In this lesson, we're going to practice what we learned last time and then learn how to sing and play This Is Me. So let's get ready to sing and play, and we'll start by singing This Is Me.
Look out, 'cause here I come, and I'm marching out to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be me, I make no apologies, this is me. Let's play some long notes together. We'll start with the E. Join in as soon as you can. Now F sharp, lifting the thumb. Up to G sharp on the left. Now copy back some rhythms. My turn first on E. Now up to F sharp. Up to G sharp using the left key, keeping the face smiley using the tongue. Well done. Let's put it together. We will play the introduction and then sing Rewrite the Stars. So have your low B ready. So let's learn the second instrumental part, which is made up of 3 phrases. The first phrase starts on an F sharp, so I'll play the phrase, you copy it back after me. The second phrase starts on G sharp. Remember to count 4 beats on the long note at the start of the phrase. The last phrase starts on E, goes up to F sharp, and the last note is short and detached with a staccato dot. Now play the whole line with the music twice. Join in with me, either the second time or both times.
play the second instrumental part, then sing This Is Me.
Well done everyone, you've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you'd like to help you practice the piece at home. So keep up the good work and look out for The Greatest Showman Part 3 coming soon.